The husband of slain Manchester teacher is now in police custody.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Head of the Manchester Police Division, Superintendent Wayne Cameron, has revealed that the husband of murdered Manchester teacher Carolyn Davis-Campbell was taken into custody on Tuesday night, September 3rd. Campbell's husband is being treated as a criminal suspect in her death. Cameron said the husband was taken into custody following a series of interviews with the police which had some inconsistencies. We have done a series of interviews with him. Tuesday was the last time we did an interview with him. We just need to have some statements clarified and to clear up some ambiguities with some things that he has told us. A number of stories that he has given us we found to be a little inconsistent, Cameron said. Many questions have been asked, especially by social media users, since Wednesday, July 10, when 43-year-old Davis-Campbell, who was a teacher at the Bishop Gibson High School in Mandeville, was shot and killed in her Melrose Mews home. Police reports are that the educator was home with her husband when noise was heard outside the dwelling sometime after midnight. A short moment later, a gunman reportedly kicked in a door to the house. The police said that the victim's husband told them that he was awakened from his sleep when the bedroom door was kicked in. He reportedly rolled from the bed as a gunman fired several shots. He subsequently discovered that his wife had been hit multiple times. The husband escaped injury, while the police recovered 5 spent casings from the scene.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.